Hello students, now we shall try to draw the histogram. I have written a question here. Two columns are given to you. Monthly salary in rupees 3000 to 3100, 3100 to 3200, like that till 3600, and the corresponding frequencies 10, 15, 12, 8, 20, 15. Now using this information you have to draw the histogram. So let us try to draw a histogram for this particular condition. In order to draw the histogram, first you have to draw the two axes. So I shall draw the y-axis here, and then I shall draw the x-axis this way. Alright, I'll write the origin O, this is x and this is y. Now in the x-axis we'll plot the class intervals. So I shall write class intervals here. I have to plot the class intervals in the x-axis, and in the y-axis we are going to put the frequency. So I'll write frequency here. Alright, so the frequency will go this side. After this, let us mark the class intervals. It starts from 3000. So the first is 3000, then 3100, then 3200, then 3300, then 3400, 3500, and finally we have 3600. All right, now the frequencies are 10, 15, 12, 8, 20, 15. So what I have done, I have taken the scale as 5 because my highest is 20. So I'll go 5, 10, 15, and then finally 20. All right, now I shall draw the bars. So 3000 to 3100, my frequency is 10, so I'll draw till 10. All right, now because it is a histogram, there is no gap. I've explained this thing already. If you have not understood the difference between bar graph and histogram, please check the video. All right, one video is already there. The next frequency is 15, so I'll draw 15 here. Next is 12. You all know how to plot these points, right? This is very easy. 12, then you have 8, somewhere here is 8, and then you have 20, so I'll go 20 here, and finally I have 15, so it should be somewhere here. All right, so this is my histogram. You can draw the patterns this way, no problem. It is not necessary to draw, and you can also write the frequencies here: 10, 15, 12, 8, 20, and 15. Okay, now there are two important things here. One, here in this corner you have to write the scale. Scale means what you have done in both x-axis and y-axis, so you will write along both axes, right? So you have taken 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Along x-axis you have taken 1 centimeter as 100 unit, right? Okay, so there's a mistake here. This is not along both axes. What you have to do here, 1 centimeter equal to 100 unit for x-axis. So you'll write along x-axis, right? And what is how much I have taken the y-axis? So here you have to write along y-axis. How much is there? 1 centimeter is equal to 5 unit. Alright, so in both the x-axis and the y-axis you will draw 1 centimeter. So if you look at the x-axis, 3000 to 3100, so 3000 to 3100 means 100 units. So I have written 1 centimeter equal to 100 unit. In the y-axis I have taken 1 centimeter as 5 unit. Alright, you are almost done, apart from one little thing. Do you know you have to break this chain over, break this axis over here, right? Now what does this mean? This means that 3000 to 3100 you have a gap of 100, but 0 to 3000 you have a gap of 3000. It is not continuous, and that is why you have to break the axis over here. All right, so this is how you're going to draw a histogram. You can try all other questions from your textbook, and in the next video we're going to learn how to draw a frequency distribution table. So let us meet in the next video.